Welcome to your daily dose of dividend. Luis made a request in the comments for Cintas. Thank you, Luis, for the suggestion. Let's take a look. With a market cap of $39 billion, Cintas is a S&P 500 company within the specialty business services industry. The stock price has overperformed the S&P 500 index over the last 10 years, with dividends reinvested. Let's briefly analyze some key fundamentals. Most data is based on a 5-year average. Sales growth, 8.2%. Earnings growth, 20.6%. Earnings estimates, 11.9%. Return on capital, 17.14%. Debt to free cash flow, 2.23 years. Bought back shares, yes. And now for some dividend metrics. Dividend yield, 1%. Payout ratio, 32.64%. Growth rate, 23.36%. Growth years, 37 years. That gives Cintas 9 out of 10 points. That's an outstanding score. You might want to take a closer look at this company for your dividend portfolio. Now, let's take a look at the current stock valuation. Based on historical multiples and future estimates from GuruFocus.com, Cintas is fairly valued. At FastGraphs.com, we can see that analysts estimates a total annual return of 1.1% compared to its normal valuation over a 10-year period. What's your thoughts on Cintas in a dividend portfolio? Feel free to make a request in the comments regarding future videos. If you found value in this video, please leave a like, and welcome back tomorrow for another quick analysis. Have a great day.